party. Well, I'm nowhere near the car, as you can see. So Andrew, tell me, how's the work coming along?
Good afternoon, Josh. Josh, it's not so bad here. I don't have to hang out with 30 odd young teenagers on a camp. I'm on my own. I'm cranking the music so hard the windows are rattling in the house and having a ball, so okay, we're slowly getting closer. Well, this new piece in here, that's alright, solid metal there. I think I accidentally chiseled a bit of that out, and I'll fix that with weld when I put the thing in. Here along here is pretty good. There's a little bit to do here. This is pretty good. I just sort of, where I drilled it out is all, they will fill up. That'll be real good. Here needs a bit of work here, and the A-pillar needs a little bit of work. The next day after I painted the rust converter on, and it's very different now, as you can see in there. Where is that? I can see it with the camera, but I can't see it with my own eyes. Yeah, geez, it's perspective, eh? I'm going to have to give that a bit of a clean up there. But anyway, on the average, it did a pretty good job. Considering it spent, what is it, 50 years or so, and I'm sure it's got another 50 years or so left in it after it's been sealed, because it wasn't sealed the first time. So yeah. Okay, quick update. I've temporarily fitted the wheel tub. I have been welding here. You may see some what do you call it, time lapse of it. But anyway, I hated the job so much I cut it out. I'm going to do it again. Got some pieces to go in here and there. Good morning all. Just a quick thing, we're going to do some work today. Having a cup of tea, Spider-Man cup, gotta love a cup of tea. No, prefer coffee. Actually it is tea, but heat up. Yeah, it's just a quick one. I'm just going to put, yesterday I welded a thing in there. I don't know if I'm going to show you it all. I made such a mess of it, it was embarrassing, so I cut the whole thing out and I'm going to weld in a new plate. I'm using the wrong gauge wire in the welder, so I'm changing that too, and that will help a lot. And yeah, so that was it, just a quick one, and cheers. Okay, a little bit of an update, just making this little piece in here, which has been actually, it's a compounded angle, and it's been quite a thing, and I can tell you, I'm pretty out of practice. So anyway, so I did it in two pieces. Oh, where are we there? So this one's the next piece, and see it sort of sways off. And, so that goes in there. And, have a look at this. I pretty well could have done this in one piece now if I keep bending. But I've got that one welded in now, so I just need to grind that off. That looks perfect. So just weld this and join it through there. It'll be all honky-dory. Okay, I'm getting there. It's taken a long time to get the result I wanted. So this is the result I wanted. That mates with the wheel tub perfectly. And yeah, so a little bit more blending. It's good to get in there, and I've run out of 36 grit discs, and I was using other things, and it's just, that's it. It's too slow. I give up. I'll wait until I get some new ones. Okay, just going to weld another little plate in there. I'm a bit concerned that it's going to get very boring if I show every single plate. So I'll record it, but whether we actually show you or not, it's about as exciting as watching mud dry. Look at the finish. Pretty hard without the light, because the background light's so strong. So that's it. Good enough for the bush. Hello. My son's been sending me videos. He's on an island, and up in the Whitsundays or out that way somewhere. And as beautiful as it is, he believes I'm not enjoying myself here, which I really am, which is the funny thing. But the strangest thing is that he's there with 30 odd young teenagers, and helping his mum do the camp, and I'm thinking, oh, I'm here on my own having a ball. He's crazy if he thinks I want to be hanging around with 30 bloody young teenagers. And so, oh dear. So, but as long as he's having fun, that's what counts. Cheers. Okay, another quick report. And, a current affair on the car, and just a little panel. Get the inside. I can't even see where I'm looking. Just a minute. There we go. I'm blind in one eye. I've told you that. Can't see out of the other. So that'll be it. Well, okay, this thing's in now. Finally. So that should do the trick. We're back. Now what it is the last you would have seen happening is this was welded up and it's been edge primed, and but we've been looking at this, and this has had rust converter and goodness knows what on it, and it still looks like, well, it's a bit how's your grandmother. So we're going to sandblast it. We decided we're going to sandblast it all up neat, then edge prime it. You know, it's just a thing, and we've had a bit of dew come in, and where is it? And just put a bit of surface rust there. Wish I had a shed. We're not going to talk about sheds, okay? We know.
Hi guys, I am back from my working holiday. Just spent a week at the beach, which was absolutely lovely. I'm sure you've seen it. Back to this thing. I'm going to be doing a fair bit of sandblasting. I'm going to do the labour work and a few other bits and pieces as well. Andrew is just chuffed to have me back, aren't you? He's over the moon about it. Anyway, onto the car.
He thinks I missed him. Be labourer, someone to do all the hard work. Yeah. Old age and cunning beats youth and exuberance any day. Perfect, eh? Don't you love that? That's not a bad bit of welding work. Take a look at my welding work here. Just the best, isn't it? Yep. No doubt about it.
Well, you forgot this bit.
It's hard to be humble when you're as good as I. Well, we're just winding up the day, and I've got to go to one of Julie's formals, end of her class. So get a free feed, it's pretty good. That's a school formal, that is. Anyway, just show you what we did. Josh sandblast, very time consuming sandblasted. I went in and played video games or something while he was doing this. But all along the sill there has been sandblasted now and edge primed. And where I'm going to weld is got weld through primer on it, which I should show you in a second. And I just did a bit there and there. We've got to put those things on. And it's looking a bit tight here, isn't it? Pretty well ready to go. And yeah, so that's about it with the day. So very soon we're going to have the sill on. It seems like it's taking forever. But it's also stand by next week on a channel near you. This is the wheel tub. So I'll be just preparing this by drilling where I'm going to put all the plug welds, and that's going in, so it'll be nice to have something in it as well. And there was one last thing I wanted to show you. Let me see now, and it's called weld through primer. Okay, this is weld through primer. Someone asked me, David, my brother, said, what's weld through primer? You should tell people what it is. And I you take it for granted everybody knows, but not everybody knows. So weld through primer is something with copper and zinc and other things in there that's conductive, so that you can weld through it, and then the adhesive and stuff burn away. But I'll just warn people that you actually get a pretty good thick coat over it if you want it to seal from rusting. I had some which wasn't so thick on the other side, and a bit of weather got to it and started rusting through it pretty quick. So yeah, so that wasn't too exciting. And that's kind of cool. Panoramic weld through. Anyway, I'm out of here. Catch you around like a result. See you on the flip side. Auf Wiedersehen. Das Vidania. Ciao. Hey, how do you say?
Sorry to cut in. He's a bit long-winded in his speeches at the end of the videos, but this is what we've done. Getting ready for next stage. So there's not too much progress in this video, but over the weekend we'll hopefully have this whole side wrapped up. All right, peace.